I walked alone through silent skies till I found fire in your eyes. You lit the dark, you sparked the flame. Now nothing feels quite the same. Every beat you pull me closer. In your touch I find composure.